and I'll just load up all the songs. So as we can see, I've loaded up the songs here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a the pastors come with their Bible scriptures, and you have to input that into the actual playlist itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new document, and I'm going to create a new Bible document. You give the Bible document a title, so I'll put the 20. Let's put, you can name it anything you like. LIC sermon 24th of the 11th 13. I'm going to put A in there as well. Keep those dimensions the same, keep it as default, and click new. Okay, once you do that, you think, where's that gone? Well, basically what you need to do, you need to go into the Bible section of the library, and then take that away, and then if you created it, it should be highlighted in here, which of course it's not. So you can do a search, 24 LIC sermon, LIC sermon, and then you can 24th, wasn't it? 24th, and there you go. So I can just click that with the left mouse click and drag that where I want it to be, which was, I think, here. After "Here I am to worship," then you have the sermon. Once you've got the sermon here, what you can do, you can in this area here, which is the video image bin, you can look for Bibles. Bible, and then you can pick whatever slide or video you want to overlay. So left mouse click and drag that there and let go, and now we have the startings of our LIC sermon. Now let's say we want to add some verses into that. What we need to do, we need to make sure that the sermon is highlighted in there and highlighted in there to make sure that we've got the correct document, and then we select the Bibles, and then you can select, let's say for instance, you can select what, let's say we go Joshua 4, and then to select what verses you want, let's say from 1 to 10 we want to put in there, 1 to 10, and then click enter. Now with that, you can see now Joshua, oh sorry, not 1 to 10, sorry, made a mistake, 1 to 10. Now you can see verses 1 to 10 is now appeared, and we can select this little cog here and say copy to current document, and then you can continue to add documents as you're going along, as long as let's do that actually, as long as so as I said, you can keep on adding documents, Bible documents. Let's go to, let's say we can go to say roof 1. I'm just picking these at random. Select your verse. It could be say from, I don't know, roof 1 5 to say 8, say press enter, and then once again copy to current document. Now as you can just minimize this for a second. So as you can see here, in our LIC sermons document which we've got here, you can see the sermons has been added, Joshua and also Ruth. Right, now what I normally do, I normally then change the text to bold and yellow, because if you can see here, if I just highlight that, actually I wonder if I can display. It's not very clear on the output. It won't be very clear on the output. So what I normally do, I edit one slide, and then I highlight it twice. I highlight all the text in that slide. Now the good thing about this, you can do it to one slide, your changes, and apply it to all the slides in that document, in the LIC document. So I would change it to bold. Then I'll have the black outline. I'll change that to 3. That gives it the black outline around the text. Then down the bottom here, I would not down the bottom note here, I would change the text to yellow. So now click X on that. So now we've got highlighted text. That's yellow. The outline is 3 black. Then I would say apply to all. And what that would do, you can see down here, and once I click on apply to all, that will apply to all the slides in that current document. So if I go apply to all, giving it a bit of time, there you go. Changes have been made to all the documents within all the scriptures within that document. Then what you can do, you can come out of the slide editor by pressing X, and then as you can see here, that is a orange color. That means it had not been saved. So if you now close ProPresenter and open it up again, it would not have saved the changes. So if you go File, Save All, you can now see that's now gone back to the Bible icon, and that's been saved. And if we go back into the LIC sermon, then we can see that that's been changed. And then if we click on the scripture, then that's more outstanding. So with all the sermons loaded and the songs loaded, you literally just go through each song by highlighting it. Now you can highlight it in the playlist here area, or you can scroll up and down here, and then you can just select the slide that you want to show. A thing to add, I always put a background at the first of the slides. This background can be changed quite easily. If you come down to the motion worship, remember I just done the search in the Bible before. If you click X, yep, that will disappear, and then you've got all these backgrounds you can choose from. So if I wanted to choose another background, I could literally just highlight that background, click it to highlight it, and drag it to that slide, and then take the left finger off, and then that's it, it's activated, and there you have a different slide background on the slide. For if you want to pause the video, you just press pause, and to start the video again, you just press play.